Did you know that the Apple Vision Pro can track your eye movements to help with multitasking? This means you can switch between tasks just by looking at them. The Apple Vision Pro is here to revolutionize how we work and stay productive. Imagine being able to immerse yourself in your tasks like never before. With its cutting-edge technology, this device is set to change the game. From professionals to students, everyone can benefit from its innovative features. Apple, as we know, is a pioneer in innovation. Their reputation for creating products that transform our daily lives is well known. The Vision Pro's development history is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing boundaries. Years of research and development have led to this moment. The tech giant's focus on detail is evident in every aspect of the Vision Pro. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it accessible to all. But what really sets it apart is its ability to learn and adapt to your needs. This device is not just a tool, it's an extension of your workspace. The Apple Vision Pro boasts an immersive display that's like having a cinema at your fingertips. Its advanced multitasking capabilities let you juggle multiple tasks seamlessly. Plus, its integration with other Apple products makes it a perfect fit for those already in the Apple ecosystem. This device is not just about features, it's about enhancing your productivity. You can use it to create, communicate, and collaborate like never before. The possibilities are endless, from virtual meetings to 3D modeling. One of the key advantages of the Vision Pro is its ease of use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. The device's versatility is another major plus. Whether you're working on a project or studying for exams, it's designed to make your life easier. However, no device is perfect. Battery life and comfort are some of the concerns users might have. These are valid points, but the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. The Vision Pro's pros make it a valuable addition to your toolkit. When comparing the Apple Vision Pro to traditional laptops or other AR/VR headsets, it stands out for its seamless integration and user experience. It's not just another device, it's a new way of working. Its competitors might offer similar features, but the Vision Pro's execution is unparalleled. As someone who's spent considerable time with the Vision Pro, I can attest to its impact on productivity. It's changed my routines and helped me manage tasks more efficiently. The device's ability to adapt to my workflow has been a game changer. The Apple Vision Pro is a powerful tool for remote workers and creatives. Its features cater to a wide range of needs, making it a versatile asset. If you're looking to upgrade your productivity, this device is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary device that's set to change how we work. Its innovative features, ease of use, and versatility make it a top-notch productivity tool. I'd give it a solid rating for its performance and potential. If you're interested in more productivity tips, be sure to check out my other video on maximizing your workflow. Your thoughts on the Vision Pro are also welcome in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.